Hi guys, what's up? This is Amir Ali and you're watching me on Street Diaries with Samina. What my character had done. Okay. And being mom, she was getting affected with that. So that's an achievement. So whenever I meet Salman Bhai, there's been a lot of love and respect for him. I mean, he's Salman Khan there.
Yeah.
Who doesn't love him?
Are rumors that you may be a part of a Rohit Shetty's dark comedy movie?
No, I'll be happy if this is true, but I have no idea. It is in a space, but it's not Rohit Shetty, sirs. He's not spoken to me. But there is something interesting. When I had gone to Remo's house for Ganpati and there was a backlash from people, that's what affected me. Thoda Hina had called me and told me don't get affected and मेरे साथ तो बहुत होता है. When you're an actor, when you're in this field, you have to go through whatever comes, and I'm okay. I didn't realize there was media there, and it was a celebration of Holi, and we all were just chilling, and I don't know, मैं क्या बोलूँ मैं? I think comedy in me just clicked, yeah, for some reason because मैंने वो ये एक पतंग कुमार किया था. Devan was the director, Devan Bujani, and Sarabhai. Yeah. I think wasn't as cult then, which has become now.
Are you into like wanting to, revive love in your life and,
Yeah.
rekindle love?
Yeah, of course, I believe in love. I'm in fact dating somebody right now, and I'm very happy.
Hi, this is Amina Sheikh here on my special show Street Diaries, and with me right now I have the guest, the host. Actually, I can call him the host also in a way because he will host me some good meals. So that's Amir Ali for you. Join me as I welcome him only on Zoom.
Thank you so much.
Lovely to
हमेशा
have
खाने
you.
पे नहीं मिलते.
हाँ, हमारा खाने का
कुछ है connection है ना? खाने का?
karmic connection with the khana.
She knows I love food.
Yes, and we have had like amazing idlis.
Yeah.
डोसा खाया था आपने, डोसा खाया था, मैंने इडली मंगाया
मैं बात कम किया था, खाया ज़्यादा था. I remember.
पर अभी इतना ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन जो आपने इतना अच्छा कर लिया है, आई एम वंडरिंग कि मैं खिलाऊं कि नहीं खिलाऊं डिशेस.
ये तो खा सकता हूँ, ये तो हेल्दी है.
है ना, दिस इज चिकन सीख, दिस इज चिकन मलाई समथिंग थोड़ा हेल्दी.
या ठीक है, इतना चलता है. इतना भी मैं हार्डकोर नहीं जाता हूँ. मैंने सिर्फ मीठे में कंट्रोल रखा है.
अच्छा.
जो कल क्रिकेट का टूर्नामेंट जीतने के बाद मैं रात को खा लिया मीठा.
क्या खाया फिर?
I had a lot of things. Yeah. I had my chocolates. I had my वो Lockers का एक crispy मुँह में आया था वो खाया. So I had this cake है which is sugar free होता है, लेकिन उसमें थोड़ा तो होता ही मुझे लगता है. I think sugar free तो कुछ नहीं होता है. दबा के मैं कल रात को खा कर आया हूँ.
How is this entire diet going for you? You have transformed, and when I see you, what I've seen you versus now, it's not like you were hefty ever.
Yeah, I understand.
You've always, had that.
But I've become more leaner.
More leaner.
Yeah.
And 20 years into fitness, I must say that, people have seen that कि आप कभी ऐसे
मोटा
you're not
नहीं
being
होता.
bulked, हाँ, कभी ऐसे bulk up नहीं हुआ है. तो what?
मेरा एक secret है. I don't go by what people tell me. I go by my clothes. I have the same denims जो मैं 20 साल पहले पहनता था. मैं measurements उसको भेजता हूँ. Same measurements होते सूट के जो मैं 20 साल पहले थे.
Okay.
So I live by my clothes because लोग का देखने का नज़रिया गलत हो सकता है. अभी आदमी थका है तो बोलेंगे हाँ थोड़ा हेवी लग रहा है, मोटा लग रहा है, whatever. बट कपड़े कभी झूठ नहीं बोलेंगे.
Correct.
So जैसा मेरे कपड़े टाइट होना स्टार्ट होते हैं मैं डाइट पे चला जाता हूँ.
Wow.
But last couple of months, 6-8 months, I've quit sugar, मीठा, जो मेरे लिए बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट चीज़ है. I love food, you know that I love my मीठा dessert, that my weakness. और मैंने मीठा छोड़ा हुआ है. पहले 1 महीने मुझे बहुत डिफिकल्टी हुई, मगर then I'm okay. अब मैं बहुत ज़्यादा खाता हूँ. कभी ऐसे I have cheat days. तो मैं अगर थोड़ा ज़्यादा खा लिया तो I feel nauseous now. तो जितना मैं खाता था उतना खा नहीं सकता. उसको थोड़ा भी खाता हूँ I feel nauseous. So yeah, I'm in a good space eating wise. And मेरी dietitian अंजुम, she is fab. उन्होंने मेरी मम्मी की diabetes भी बढ़ा दी है. Yeah, मतलब she's literally from being a proper diabetic, she's like nearly on the control it completely. And whenever I need to come on a healthy diet, I go to her.
And I've been knowing you for so many years.
Yeah.
And
I'm sorry,
one thing which is very interesting, इक्वेशन हमारा चेंज नहीं हुआ है, बात अभी भी वैसे है. बट एक चीज जो आप में चेंज हुई, विच आई रियली सी दैट यू हैव रिफॉर्म्ड अ लॉट in terms of, you know, evolving yourself as an actor, as a personality also, you know, and many things you have let go of to be where you are. And when I say so, you have literally shed some layers of you. 6-7 years में जो ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन
Yeah.
हुआ है आपका बहुत ज़्यादा ही यानी एक अलग टाइप का हुआ है.
Yeah.
What made you like choose a decision like this and do that?
I don't know, yeah. I feel you just evolve. And if you don't evolve, then you're not growing.
Yeah.
So more than work for me, it's my personal growth that matters the most. And yeah, I've been, I think, on the right track where emotionally I connect with people more. I understand people more. I think from my heart more. And I like this. Man, होता है ना phases में जब आप सोचते हो आप smart हो, आप ये ऐसे कर सकते हैं, वैसे सोच सकते हैं. I think I'm more of a heart person and I follow that.
Yeah.
And I'm in a happy space.
Yeah.
Hmm.
हैप्पी स्पेस तो लग ही रहा है क्योंकि काफ़ी अच्छे अच्छे शोज आ रहे हैं OTT में. बट आई मस्ट से दैट द काइंड ऑफ फनी यू नो ह्यूमन बीइंग एंड थोड़े से सीरियस रोल्स भी एंड यू नो रोमांटिक रोल्स भी, बट नाउ इट्स लाइक कंप्लीटली ग्रे शेड.
Yeah.
एंड वी स्पोक ऑल्सो व्हेन वी मेट लास्ट
Yeah,
टाइम.
yeah.
ग्रे शेड इज समथिंग व्हिच इज नॉट द आमिर अली,
Yeah.
which is again completely undoing what you have done
Yeah.
to be this character.
Yeah.
What made you choose that?
By the time I think the show comes out, पता चलेगा I'm not even grey, more than grey Amar Vishwas. Yeah.
Is that
And,
dangerous?
No, it's not dangerous. It's just fun as an actor to do something. My mom wasn't happy. मैं जब मम्मी ने शो देखा, मुझे देखा तो मतलब कैसा लगा, तो she was little, ठीक था बेटे, तेरा रोल मुझे ठीक लगा. She was unhappy because what my character had done.
Okay.
And being mom, she was getting affected with that. So that's an achievement. I've never done something like this. I want to explore myself as an actor and do something new. So Amar Vishwas, whatever I did, was a good experience that I had. And when people see me, when they come to the end of the show, they'll hate me or like me or whatever, but they'll enjoy what I've done. And yeah, I'm looking forward to some other things that I'm going to do this year. थोड़ा focus है काम पर इस साल. Last year इतना नहीं था, for whatever reasons, but इस साल है.
इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट है कि आपने बॉलीवुड में भी यानी यू नो रोल्स
जी.
किए हैं एंड सम ऑफ देम हैव बीन ब्रिलियंट, बट टॉकिंग अबाउट अ फिल्म लाइक आई हेट लव स्टोरीज,
जी.
और उसमें जो आपने कैरेक्टर किया है व्हिच इज लाइक पीपल कुड रेजोनेटेड विद सलमान खान. डिड यू काइंड ऑफ गेट इंस्पायर्ड? वर यू नर्वस लाइक कहीं ना कहीं वो स्टार फेस के हिसाब से दे वर
No,
कंपेयर्ड?
it wasn't on anyone. It was a mixture of everybody.
या
A lot of people. कौन अभी मैं नहीं जानता, कोई एक्टर पढ़ के डायलॉग बोलता, आप जानती हो? नहीं ना,
नहीं.
तो मैं भी नहीं जानता.
फाइन.
बोलो, आप बोलो ना.
मैं कमेंट नहीं करना चाहूंगी.
हाँ, ना,
या
तो-
राइट.
Oh, it was a mix of, it was just a mashup of
ऑल द कैरेक्टर्स.
all the different things and fun and stuff. So मैंने आपसे एक सवाल पूछा, आप बोलो नहीं जानते, that is not Salman sir, of course.
But with him also, you have a very good equation, is what we have seen over the years.
No.
We all have known each other.
Salman bhai, I've known Sohail for a long time.
Yes, Sohail actually, yes.
And वो उनके भाई है, तो whenever I meet Salman bhai, it's been there's been a lot of love and respect for him. I mean, he's Salman Khan there.
Yeah.
Who doesn't love him? तो yeah, that's it. बस उनके साथ मिलता था. मैं रेमो के साथ, रेमो ने जब रेस किया था तब मुलाकातें होती थी. सोहेल के साथ जब पहले मुलाकात ज़्यादा होती थी मेरी, तब मैं उनको बहुत मिलता था.
Huh.
So yeah, that's about it. Yeah. And,
Apart from acting, we have seen your fondness for sports.
yeah.
Your love for cricket, your love for, you know, different kind of sports for that matter. अभी तो pickleball भी pick up हो रहा है, you know.
I play paddle.
You're playing
I
paddle.
play
So,
paddle and
yes.
pickle both. Yeah, it's fun. I actually like playing badminton a lot,
अच्छा.
but I also once in a while play paddle and pickle. It's a lot of fun.
But do you feel that, and you know, somewhere investing into a profession like this also, you know, when you say sports is equally important as far as, you know, even acting, because acting is one thing which is there in you, which
Yeah.
has kind of inbuilt in you.
Yeah.
But something which is like sports, you know, कहीं ना कहीं अभी भी आज भी इंडिया वर्सेस पाकिस्तान की मैच होती है, people are on a different world
Yeah,
altogether.
yeah.
What do you have to say about that?
Investing in a
Investing in sports, yeah.
you never know. You never know. I'll come up with something because sports is in my blood. मतलब by nature I'm a sportsman. As you said, like I love playing cricket. I love playing soccer. वो इंजरीज की वजह से कभी कभार खेलना नहीं होता है इतना रेगुलरली, बट बैडमिंटन एंड पिकल एंड पैडल इज something that I play on regular basis. And yeah, if I get a chance, and if there is something I may be doing something. Yeah.
One thing now that we move from sports, एक जो आपका है, which is Lutere.
Yeah.
People spoke about it at length,
Yeah.
about the character.
Yeah.
You literally got into the intense character of
Yeah.
it.
Yeah.
Did you literally had to let go of a lot while doing a character like that, because it had a different relevance, it had a
Yeah.
different revelation too, for that matter.
नहीं, एक ही चीज़ करनी पड़ती है, अपने अंदर की इनोवेशन और टेलीविजन की स्टारडम छोड़नी पड़ती है to do that role. Any because what is happening now on OTT, there's such good shows being made. There's such amazing directors. And एक तो उन्हें आपको ट्रस्ट करने में थोड़ी डिफिकल्टी होती है because the kind of work you've done on television and you're coming.
Yeah.
And then they start, they and people who have balls of steel, then they cast you.
Yeah.
कि यार ये इससे मैं करा लूँगा. So then आपको थोड़ा तो काम करना पड़ता है, बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं. मतलब आई एम नॉट द एक्टर जो लाइफ छोड़ छाड़ कर घुस जाए कैरेक्टर में, मैं ऐसा नहीं करता. बट आई गिव इट, आई वर्क हार्ड, आई गिव इट समथिंग टू इट. एंड बट आई जस्ट फील इफ यू लीव योर whatever work you've done in past and be true to the character, then you'll play the character well.
I think a lot of people know that you were a cabin crew and
My first job.
first job, and moving from that to this, एक तो वो shift कैसे हुआ, one. Second thing, जब भी आप airplane में जाते हो, when you see certain kind of people around you, in the airplane and the way they talk and all, आपके cabin crew mode में आपको क्या याद आ जाता है, and how they should be dealt with actually?
हमारे टाइम में बहुत सर्विस वॉज टॉप मोस्ट प्रायोरिटी. मैं एयर सहारा में था. सहारा में ना वो लखनवी तहजीब थी कि पैसेंजर्स या कोई भी हो, उन्हें बहुत ही अच्छी तरह से आपको ट्रीट करना है. अभी थोड़े चिल्ड हो गए. Now when I fly in other airlines, they're very relaxed and stuff. लेकिन मुझे अभी भी ना कॉल बेल बजाने बहुत ही वो होता है. मैं रुक जाता हूँ, मैं हलवाई करता हूँ कि कॉल बेल बजा के डिस्टर्ब ना करूँ. पता नहीं क्यों मेरे दिमाग में ऐसा आता है that I'm disturbing them. Because पहले जब कॉल बेल्स बजते थे, we used to again go again, we used to keep going. वो मेरे ध्यान में रहता है. मैं genuinely उनसे अच्छी तरह बात करता हूँ because I was them and that was my first job. And so this is a soft corner for all the cabin crews everywhere in the world.
In fact, if correct me also if I'm wrong, because the information what I have is that Subrata kind of told you that you maintain your profile as in your work while you're also scouting for modeling as a career.
Yeah.
So if if you could share certain memories around that, and what
See,
you
if
kind of
frankly, if I could do something in my modeling career, it's because of Sir,
Yes.
Subrata Sir. Because I wasn't allowed. Being in an organization, you know how to take offs whenever you want and stuff. So I met Sir on flight और मेरी एक ad आ गई थी and I told Sir मेरी ad आई, and he had seen the ad because वो चली थी काफ़ी. तो he wished me congratulations and stuff, and उन्होंने वो ऐसे शीट आते ना, ट्रे पे ऐसे शीट्स होते थे. शीट के पीछे उन्होंने लिखा कि whenever Amir Ali wants off, he will let you know one day earlier. अब उन्होंने बोल दिया सहारा में, तो वो तो गवर्नमेंट का सील हो गया.
correct,
Yeah, that's how I could start and concentrate on modeling. And even after a year or so, when I established myself as a model, I met Sir and Sir, मैं अभी evolve होना चाहता हूँ and मैं acting में जा रहा हूँ and stuff. So he said, no, you come to Sahara channel, sit there, meet the producers, directors who come there. And मैं मिला नहीं किसी को, but at least I got that security that I'm not completely walking out of the job and I have that fixed salary. And that's the reason I still haven't resigned. My number still must be there somewhere.
Really?
That's my love for them, yeah.
The interesting part, like from modeling days and having a Subrata connection to moving to TV. अब TV में आपने FIR भी किया है, आपने romantic roles भी किए हैं, but at the same time, one thing which kind of cashed was also the Patang legend.
अरे वो एक एपिसोड किया था.
एक एपिसोड किया था, और अभी भी सोचो वो कहीं ना कहीं it has become popular.
I don't know.
क्या है वो?
I don't know why. यार मुझे अभी तक लोग आके बोलते हैं.
है ना?
हाँ, I think comedy in me just click, yeah. For some reason, because मैंने वो ये एक पतंग कुमार किया था.
हाँ.
Devan was the director, Devan Bujani, and Sarabhai.
Yeah.
I think wasn't as cult then, which has become now.
हाँ.
I think seemed like FIR.
Correct.
FIR wasn't. It was there. People loved it, but 21-22 से जब कोविड के बाद जब लोग कॉमेडी शोज देखना स्टार्ट किए, now it's become cult, and now people thank you. मुझे चाहिए चाहिए thank you. Now people talk a lot about it. So I don't know what the thing is about पतंग कुमार. मैंने एक ही एपिसोड किया है. मेरी मूवी आने वाली थी, रिलीज होने वाली थी, उसकी प्रमोशन किया था. मूवी तो रिलीज नहीं हुई. ये पतंग कुमार लोगों ने नहीं बोला.
Okay. As a son, you know, I'm sure it's also a lot of responsibilities on your shoulder because, you know, having a mother.
अभी मम्मी ना अभी बच्चा हो गई है.
हाँ.
अब बाहर वालों से सब अच्छी तरह मिलती है, लेकिन घर वाले मेरे अंदर ना घर वालों को वो बुली करती है.
हाँ.
So now she's going to turn 80 soon, but she's 8 years old now.
Really? And
Yeah,
you like
she's
that?
bullying me so much and all of us.
What is that one thing which you both share as an equation जहाँ पे उनका सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर आपके लिए काफी ऐसे
वो serious है.
कड़ाकेदार हो जाता
नहीं
है?
वो सीरियस है, वो सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर वाली नहीं है. वो इमोशनल है, सीरियस है, लविंग है. These three are qualities. सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर
सेंस ऑफ ह्यूमर है ही नहीं जरा भी.
नहीं है.
एक रूमर आपके बारे में आई थी, अब वो सही है कि नहीं वो आपको ही यानी रेक्टिफाई करना होगा, which is about you were actually traveling in the train and आपने उसकी वजह से ट्रेन में ट्रैवल करना बंद कर दिया, which is a book thief. Do you remember वो कौन सी बुक थी?
नहीं मुझे याद नहीं है.
You literally like stopped going to the train.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
क्या उसके बाद में कभी आप गए नहीं हो
I
ट्रेन
was
में?
14 years old.
अच्छा.
And मैं कॉलेज जाता था. I had not even turned 15 when I started going to college in my FIJC, National College Bandra.
Yeah.
And experiences were not good.
Huh.
And I was a young Kabla boy who didn't know nothing, first time train traveling. And experiences थे and books तो याद नहीं है, आदमी भी याद नहीं है, खाली स्माइल याद है मुझे उनकी.
But now do you get nervous to get into the trains?
नहीं ऐसे वो डर बिठा के नहीं मेरा कोई फोबिया हो गया.
फोबिया नहीं है.
I can travel in train. अभी मौका नहीं मिलता है. It's been I don't know how many years I've traveled. But कितने साल हो गए यार? नहीं यार मैं ट्रेन में बैठा नहीं.
क्या याद रहेगा आज?
बहुत ज़्यादा साल हो गए मैं ट्रेन में. I want to travel in a metro. मैंने कई साल पहले दिल्ली की मैं मेट्रो में बैठा था. बहुत साल पहले जब नया नया मेट्रो आई थिंक दिल्ली में पहले आया था बॉम्बे से.
करेक्ट. हाँ.
तो उस वक्त बैठा था मैं.
वहाँ पे ही शुरू हुआ है, यहाँ पे मुंबई में शुरू हुआ है.
हाँ करेक्ट.
बट मीडिया में जो आपका एक परसेप्शन एक टाइम पर था, यू नो, डू यू फील दैट यू नो द फ्लैम्बॉयंस व्हाट यू हैड वंस दैट हैज आल्सो चेंज्ड, द lenses have changed towards you? What do you see?
I don't know what perception you all had. You tell me. I'll tell you if it's changed or no. क्या perception था बताओ.
I think एक टाइम पे हाइपर एक्टिव बहुत थे. एक टाइम पे थे. Now you have sobered down a lot. You are completely like है ना? Yeah.
एक टाइम पे जब मैं टेलीविजन डेज की बात कर रही हूँ.
हाँ टेलीविजन डेज.
I think उस वक्त ना एक बार बीच में ना मैं कुछ साल के बाद थक भी गया था. ओवरवर्क था. थोड़ा मेरा एटीट्यूड चेंज हो गया था. उस साल I remember which year and I know which year is that. And then I just told myself or I just understood myself कि I'm not being me and I'm being somebody else. उसके बाद भी थोड़ा सा एक था. I know what you're saying. अभी थोड़ा ठहरा हुआ है. अभी थोड़ा उम्र नहीं बोलूँगा मगर
एक्सपीरियंस.
Yeah, I don't know. I've got a little ठहराव now. There is a kind of growth. Finally.
Would you say security in your own self in a lot of ways?
Yeah. I think there's a sense of happiness, a sense of achievement, a sense of growth. I think you have to grow as a person.
Yeah.
Once you grow as a person, then work and this and that. For me, it's all important, but it's all secondary. That's what I've understood. That's what I've realized. And I think that's what's helping me.
But अभी जब ऐसे ठहराव
मैं सोचता नहीं पता है. कोई पूछता है तब मैं बात करते करते मैं सोच रहा हूँ.
अच्छा ये
वरना मैं अपने बारे में वरना अपने बारे में I don't take myself so seriously.
Yeah. But ये you know honestly it's a very good thing also which is on your own. It's not like you know वो पुराने हाँ मेरे में कुछ गड़बड़ थी ऐसे कुछ था. But When I say something like this also, एक ऐसा भी occasion अभी फिलहाल है जो social media पे इतना rampant है to be active on social media 24/7 post करो या तो फिर खुद आ जाओ live या kind of get spotting. उस phase में you have kind of you know you have cut off the guards in a way.
या मैं वो भी नहीं हो सकता.
हाँ.
मुझे पता नहीं क्यों मैं
आपने वो control किया है in a way I would say that.
मैं मुझे पता नहीं मुझे शर्म आती. तो हमेशा से I've been one person, I've been a shy person. I can't overdo anything. Sometimes I keep a team. Thank you, brother. Thank you. I keep a team for my social media for a few months.
हाँ.
And then I again stop and then I feel कि बहुत ज़्यादा हो रहा है. Then again I keep somebody. I'm not so active. I like posting sometimes. अगर मुझे लगता है if social media wasn't relevant, मुझे लगता है मैं साल के 10 पोस्ट डालता. If it wasn't relevant. Stories डालते रहता, post इतनी डालता. But I know it's relevant and I have to be there. But still, I don't think I can. इतना अपने मन को नहीं मार सकता. मैं कुछ भी नहीं कर सकता. I just can't follow every trend that is. I can't keep doing. I can't.
The reels and all.
Yeah, I would do reels.
पचा.
नहीं मैंने किया है. मैंने रेमो के साथ बहुत fun करते हैं हम लोग. But people whom I'm comfortable doing with, and then I've done stupidity, I've done madness on social media. But जब मेरा mood कर रहा है.
Correct.
Yeah.
That's interesting. But Amir also, you know, because of this also, the social media presence, you have been also selective with the kind of roles you're accepting. And more so, you're not someone who's like, you know, ये भी हो रहा है तो कर लो, ये भी हो रहा है तो कर लो, and you know, back to back just doing and then, you know, tiring yourself.
Yeah.
You are getting selective in terms of the approach you have.
Yeah.
और उसकी वजह से हम आपको सिर्फ कॉमेडी रोल्स में भी नहीं दिख रहे या यू नो रोमांटिक में ही नेगेटिव शेड आपने अभी चूज किया बट देन अगेन यू आर टेकिंग अ ब्रेक एंड देन यू मूविंग टू समथिंग एल्स because of which also you have worked with a director like Hansel Mehta which you know who doesn't choose every actor out there but there are selective ones who have been part. Was that required for a transition in your journey?
You know, I see on television now, I'll be very frank with you, on television I was getting the kind of roles I want to do. Over here, I don't think I've still achieved or I've still done things that people will say कि ना ये रोल या तो इसका है या तो आमिर का है या तो इसका है. अब तक वो नहीं मिला. So I'm not getting. I would love to do 5-6 shows a year. 5-6 ज़्यादा हो गया, 4 shows a year. मगर I don't think I'm getting the kind of stuff I want to. And जब मुझे आता है तो मैं लेता हूँ. इसलिए वो काम कम हो रहा है. इसलिए वो 1 या 2 shows हो रहे हैं साल के.
Correct.
So I won't go by saying कि मैं स्क्रिप्ट पढ़ रहा हूँ, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है तो मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ. हाँ, मैं मीडियोकर काम नहीं करता. That's I'm very clear about that. मुझे कुछ नहीं मिलेगा तो मैं कुछ भी नहीं करूँगा. मगर मुझे बहुत अच्छे काम ना इतने फ्लोइंग में नहीं आ रहे जितना टीवी पे आते थे. So I'm waiting to break that mold, break that whatever you call, and so that I start getting more it roles. So I'll be frank and I'll tell you this. I'm
working towards
I'm working towards it. This year, there's something positive happened. I think manifestation बोलो कुछ बोलो. Last year मैंने ध्यान नहीं दिया. इस साल मैंने सोचा था December end में Jan में कि ना I'll do something this year. So I don't talk bullshit. I'll tell you the truth. Some things are happening, and I'm very excited. This could be the best year. So yeah, let's see.
उसी बात है जब when you're talking about some best things to happen, there are rumors that you may be a part of a Rohit Shetty's dark comedy movie. ये ऐसे rumors यानी plant हो रही है. ये rumors plant हो रहे हैं. Rumors ही है.
ये rumors ही है.
ये तुम serious होके बोल रहे हो.
हाँ, because I'll be happy.
कुछ ना कुछ तो तुम कर रहे हो.
No, I'll be happy if this is true, but I have no idea. I haven't been approached अभी तक.
बहुत serious होके आपने मुझे reply दे दिया एकदम से acting mode was on of yours.
Because I was serious because it was a good surprise if you ask me, but I haven't been. No.
But are you exploring the genre of comedy in a different way, which is a dark comedy, which is something which connects with the audience right now,
Yeah.
the dank, you know, humor in a way?
Yeah, there is something that has been spoken about and that's been happening. It is in a space, but it's not Rohit Shetty, sir. He's not spoken to me. But there is something interesting. It's dark and it's fun and serious at the same time. I can't talk much about it, but I hope this project happens really soon. I'm waiting for it.
But do you also, like, just to add away, you know, and I mean, I also, as we come, you know, close to our, you know, conversation to end also, but do you feel that that break which you took, you know, from the industry in a way to kind of, you know, work on yourself, that was required because एक inbuilt हो जाता है, you know, even though industry must have gone to different platforms and all like that, एक built हो जाता है कि if someone is coming from the TV, they have a different approach towards them. Versus someone, you know, coming from mainstream cinema or even as an outsider also, still they get that exposure.
Yeah.
Do you feel वो requirement थी to kind of completely change the game around you, just cut off the kind of responses you were getting more as a TV actor than just as an actor?
You know, I don't know why. Maybe my work has been very out there on people's face, but people still haven't forgotten me as a television star. I don't know what else do I do. मैंने बहुत साल हो गए, 7-8 साल हो गए मैंने टीवी पे काम नहीं किया है. एंड हाँ 7-8 साल हो गए. एंड आई बीन फोकसिंग ऑन डूइंग सम इंटरेस्टिंग वर्क हियर ऑन OTT. But they still remember me like that. So I don't know. I live with it. I'm happy. Whatever I am, I'm because of what I've done in past, and I'm not running away from that. And I'm just waiting for this year, as I said, something interesting happening. Somebody's trusted in me, and you should hear about it soon.
Yeah, really.
Yeah,
Now that you're again and again exciting me on this,
I'm excited.
yeah, you're yourself excited. How do you, when you are playing a certain role, how is your approach towards those characters? Do you get completely involved in it and then you surrender to the roles, or do you kind of disconnect, detach once you're done?
No, I detach myself.
Yeah.
I don't get sucked into the roles I'm playing.
Ever any as such roles which have caught, you know, caught in the, you know, in you completely? कि हाँ थोड़े वो characters खुद में आ गए, characters.
I think FIR करते the way I used to talk थोड़ा बे करते वो मैं थोड़ा initially बोला था. like how the hell am I talking? Why am I saying बे because अबे ऐसे बात कर रहा था बजरंग पांडे. हाँ. So then I control. वो कभी dialect आ जाता because, and that is fun also ना. When you're doing something romantic, आप किसी को चलते फिरते romantic बातें नहीं करते हो, या when you're doing something some action आप लड़ाई नहीं शुरू करते हो, so that doesn't get affected. But in comedy is such, in real life you want to have fun.
Correct.
You want to chill. तो वो डायलेक्ट आ गया था बस कभी कभार आता था पहले, वो मैंने कंट्रोल किया. बट नो, आई डोंट टेक इट बैक होम. आई कीप माई वर्क कम्प्लीटली अवे. या आई गेट इन द स्किन, आई अंडरस्टैंड द कैरेक्टर. शूट खत्म हुआ, पैकअप हुआ, आई एम बैक टू बीइंग ऑन देयर.
Being an actor, which also means being under the lens all the time.
या
भले आप सोशल मीडिया पे एक्टिव हो ना हो, बट कहीं पर भी आपकी स्पॉटिंग होती है. योर पर्सनल लाइफ ऑल्सो कम्स अंडर रडार, विच हैज हैपेंड विथ यू ऑल्सो, यू नो, इन वन ऑफ द केसेस जो भी था. That part of it, how do you manage as an actor? Because people want to know. The more, you know, we have seen that in with celebrities, the more I'm interested in knowing their personality, I'm also equally curious ke what he does in his personal life.
True.
And वो
I
interest
think people want to know more about the
more,
person.
yeah, they get more intrigued.
Because मेरे काम के बारे में कोई इतना नहीं डालेगा, मेरे
जितना
ये
आपकी
सब
personal
चीज़ों के
life.
बारे में ज़्यादा
वो सबसे ज़्यादा यानी headlines बन जाएंगी, या you know लोग भी, यानी अभी तो Reddit भी आ चुका है.
But it's okay. But it's okay. I don't take it so seriously. I don't take it to my heart. I don't take it to my sleep. I don't. मतलब I go through it and I.
Has it ever bothered or affected you? Because there could be occasions where you must be like, बस यार अब कितना.
I think when I had gone to Remo's house for Ganpati and there was a backlash from people, that's what affected me थोड़ा at that point in time. वो 1-2 घंटे के लिए. Then a friend of mine called me and she told me that don't get affected. And, Hina had called me and told me don't get affected, and मेरे साथ तो बहुत होता है. And she like just don't care, and I was like, yeah, I was about to reach there and someone called me pretty fast. ये बहुत साल पहले की बात है. And ऐसा actually people have been kind to me. They haven't बजाउड me इतना बुरा अभी तक. I guess they understand me better than that. you know, so they've been, I'll just say they've been kind to me. They haven't.
Probably you also one thing which, as you said, that you are a recluse when it comes to managing social media.
Yeah.
Do you think that also helps? Because
Yeah.
the moment you start,
I don't
kind
overdo
of-
it.
Yes, the moment you start giving responses, I've
Yeah.
noticed that doing that will
Yeah.
work on me, and I'm like, they just keep on going. You
Yeah.
can't kind of pacify what they want.
Yeah, you can't fight with people who you don't know who they are.
Yes.
Uh,
I mean, you just don't know them, and
you
they're
know
just coming
them.
and commenting.
Yeah, so it's okay. Let them.
Let them.
कुछ भी लिख देते कुछ भी करते. It's fine. I'm sure people who mean something will never write any bullshit. People who just playing with other people's emotions, they will go all out. Like I feel bad. I mean, yeah, I did laugh, and it was funny in the beginning, the Arjun Kapoor thing.
Yeah.
I had a smile, but then I felt bad for him after a day or two, and people were not stopping.
Yeah.
That is wrong. मतलब पहले तो मुझे लगा फन कर रहे सब. मीम के हिसाब से.
Yeah.
I didn't realize it's becoming so serious and people actually bajaving that poor guy. So that is wrong. You can't play with someone's career and with someone's emotions so much that the person is breaking down. So that is wrong.
But don't you feel that right now जो social media पे पूरा जो havoc है, over the years ऐसा नहीं कि trolling नहीं होती थी, अभी बहुत ज़्यादा ही vindictive हो गया है कि that it completely tarnishes the entire brand what an actor has made out of his work.
Yeah, it can. कुछ ऐसा वो आदमी सेम चीज़ कर रहा था अभी सेम चीज़ करे पता नहीं कहाँ से स्प्रेड होके कहाँ पहुँच जाता है पता नहीं. So yeah, I mean हर बड़ा एक्टर हर बड़े लोग दे वेरी अवेयर नाउ. दे पहले बिंदास होता था सब कुछ. लाइक वी यूज्ड टू टॉक वेरी ओपनली. लाइक राइट नाउ आई स्टिल वुडंट केयर. I mean, I'll still be the way I am. You write whatever you want to write about me. But the bigger stars who have a lot to care about, I'm sure all of them are scared कि कभी कुछ गलत ना हो जाए और कभी कुछ गलत कुछ
Correct.
ऐसा स्प्रेड ना हो जाए और हमारी बज ना जाए in
Yeah.
real words. Because then anything can happen. They can write anything and it can spread like wildfire.
Fire, yeah.
वरुण धवन के साथ हुआ था रिसेंटली.
The smile became a
स्माइल became like स्माइल को लोग क्यूट बोलते थे पहले.
Yeah.
Smile may be wrong or right in that particular shot. Besides the point, the point is why bajao someone's try to screw someone's career because of that.
Exactly, yeah.
That is wrong.
And also, what happened to you? As I said, like spotting तो होती है. एक आपकी spotting हुई थी last year, which was during Holi, and it was with a mystery girl and all. That became viral out of all the blue.
Yeah.
It's your choice.
उन्होंने काम अमर विश्वास के बारे में बात करो.
Yeah.
कोई नहीं करेगा.
हाँ.
बोले कि ब्रांडिंग
It's
है
your
ये
choice,
है वो
to
है.
of course date someone or even go.
Yeah,
But the
yeah.
only thing was वो viral हो गया था.
I know.
Suddenly it just picked up.
Yeah.
So then in such situation, how do you also kind of deal? Because I'm sure while you may be wanting people to talk about your work and personal life आप खुद से share करते हो एक अलग बात हो जाती है. But now someone is just kind of targeting you in a way and then you become viral. How do you manage something like that?
I can't help it. Yeah. I didn't realize there was media there, and I was just. It was a celebration of Holi, and we all were just chilling, and I don't know, just. मैं क्या बोलूँ मैं? I don't know what to say, and but when you're an actor, when you're in this field, you have to go through whatever comes, and I'm okay. People were doing their job, and I have nothing against anyone. इसने जो post किया ठीक है अब क्या करें?
Coming close to again the personal side of it.
Father coming close to Holi आने वाली है.
Holi भी आ रही है, Ramzan भी आ रहा है, in a day or two probably. But coming close to the personal side of it, are you into like wanting to revive love in your life and
Yeah.
rekindle love?
Yeah, of course I believe in love. I'm in fact dating somebody right now and I'm very happy. I've always believed in love and I always feel that's the most beautiful thing. And yeah, everybody deserves love. सबको प्यार मिले, सब खुश रहो.
And lastly, before I let you go, आपने मुझे बताया तो नहीं है कि वो कौन सा प्रोजेक्ट है क्या है. तो इसके अलावा अगर आप कुछ और डिटेल्स दे सकते हो about your work, about
Right
what
now, I want you all to see Amar Vishwas. Yeah. The kind of role I've done is very nice and interesting. And the project that I'm going to do, I think in a month or two, things will be out.
But has it been a struggle for you also, Amit, to kind of fetch certain roles for yourself?
Of course.
Because it's a long lobby, it's not a
Of
easy
course,
work.
it's not been easy. I told you, na, that television pe, when I used to be called, I knew there were only 3 of us. ये या मैं, हम 3 में से लेना, जो भी बजट में आ जाए, जो भी उनके जोन में आ जाए, डेट जिसके हो. I used to come in that space. यहाँ पर I've realized I'm replaceable. So I understand that reality. I haven't achieved abhi tak what I had achieved on television. So understand my reality. People who are my friends, who are makers and stuff. Hansal sir hasn't called me in so many years now. Lutere मैंने किया था, बहुत साल हो गए. So understand, he also, everyone wants to work with whom they want to work with. Karthik Arjun, they are my friends. They've called me after 5 years. नक्सल भारी किया था और अभी काम किया उनके साथ.
Wow.
So yeah, people who want to work with you, they will work. Who know you, who know they. But I don't blame anybody. Otherwise, क्या होता ना, you get disheartened. You have, you feel that they're not calling you. People who are your friends, and that only puts you down. So I have no hard feelings. I understand. Everybody wants to work with the people whom they want to work with. Like I want to work with those 20 people, na? So they also want to work with those 5-6 people. So they'll choose them first.
And as you said, like manifestations work.
Yeah. So whenever I believe हर किसी का वक्त आता है, and when the time is right, I'll work with all of them.
And just adding to this only, because fear comes into aspect. When you're doing at an extensive stage where there are so many faces like that, it becomes easy to replace also.
Yeah.
To have your identity also is difficult. How do
But
you manage that?
that I don't care.
crisis, yeah.
एक चीज़ मेरे में बहुत सारी बुराइयाँ होंगी. मेरे में confidence है, and I don't care about not being there anywhere.
But more than that, do you sometimes fear the fact that the talent what you have could also get superseded because there's a lot of people out there?
It's okay. Everybody is there.
Okay. Does that
Yeah.
affect your performance ever?
No.
Does that
nothing,
bother you?
nothing. I don't care. I don't think so much. When I go to work, I just go do my work and I come. I don't believe उसके साथ ऐसा क्यों हो रहा है, तो मेरे साथ क्यों नहीं हो रहा है. उसके साथ हो रहा है because he deserves it.
Correct.
मेरे साथ जब होगा, when I deserve it. So I never go in that direction at all. I can do the maximum that I can, which I will do. I just need to be focused, which I wasn't. I know myself I wasn't. So this year I'm going to be focused and I'll see what happens.
Have you been competitive for that matter, Amit?
नहीं यार, मैं इतना competitive
कभी
नहीं. मैं
ऐसा
sports में हूँ.
ऐसे नहीं,
मैं
acting में नहीं.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं कि उसका मैं खा जाऊँगा, ये करूँगा, नहीं, मुझसे नहीं.
To kind of replace someone to kind of
नहीं, मैं नहीं कर सकता, वो नहीं कर सकता, मैं कभी नहीं किया.
That's lovely chatting with you.
Thank
Amit,
you.
and
Always.
Honestly, as always, there is more to know from you than to not know. But thank you so much for coming and doing this, and all the very best.
Thank
And
you.
I'm looking forward to this special movie which you're not talking about.
Yep.
But जल्दी ही पता कर लेंगे.
Yep.
Thank you so much.
Thank
for
you so
coming on
much.
the show.
आपने नहीं खाया, मैंने खा लिया.
मैं भी खा रही हूँ.